everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log in to DSDL Mortgage account online. Logging in and managing your mortgage account online is a simple process, so let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Now go to the URL box and type in dsldmortgage.com and press enter on your keyboard. You will now end up in the official web page of DSDL Mortgage. From the main home page, click on the login button appearing at the top right hand corner. Once you click on the login button, it will then take you to the sign in page. Here, you will need to type in your email and password in the text boxes to access your account. If you don't have an account yet for DSDL Mortgage, you will need to create one by clicking on register and following through the prompts. Once you have an account, type in your email address and the password for your account and click on sign in order to access to your DSDL Mortgage account and manage it online. So that is how you should be able to log in to DSDL Mortgage. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.